What's going on YouTube? So today we are going to pick up the car from my buddy Josh, who built the turbo kit for us and everything. It's all done, ready to be picked up. This will be my first time seeing it in person. He sent me pictures all throughout the build and stuff, so I already know what it looks like, but I haven't seen it in person yet. And I know once you see it in person, everything's a little different. But man, I'm just super excited. I want to take you guys along with me for this little YouTube video, and that way you can see it as I see it. And we'll talk to Josh a little bit, stuff like that, get some info on what he did, stuff like that, show his shop around a little bit. It's he's just starting out, so he's trying to build something, which is cool. We're here to support, and yeah, I mean, I'm excited. Let's get on the road. We're already a couple hours out, and let's go get this car. All right, guys, we made it back home, got the car back. We're going to go ahead and unload it now, put it in the garage, and then we'll show you a little bit better. So all right, so here it is. We got it back home now. Here's the final product. Just a little better look at it. I mean, Josh, man, he did an amazing job. This is one of his first turbo kits he's ever done. I think it is the first turbo kit. I mean, he's done some practice and stuff, but there's the exhaust pipe. And then all down here. I mean, he did an awesome job. And for you guys that don't know, like I sent him this picture of a car. I think it was like a Fox body or something that had the turbo sitting just like this. And I said, hey, this is what I want. And I want to kind of keep the radiator up front. So he was able to make that happen too. Made some like custom mounts and like twisted it to the side. And he also added some AN fittings. So that way it will go, these are AN fittings too on the electric water pump. So he really took care of us, man. He even took our injectors out and cleaned those, which is a good thing because they were actually a little bit dirty. So that was awesome of him to do that. But yeah, I mean, overall, man, the wastegates down there, dual wastegates down there, they dump right underneath the car. So that's going to look, at nighttime when you're sitting on the trans brake, that's going to look pretty awesome. But yeah, Josh killed it, man. If you guys are interested or you're in the area, PA, Maryland, Virginia, somewhere, highly recommend them. Look them up, One Bad S2K on Instagram, or you can message me, whatever. I'll get you in contact with them. But well, I'll also show you the he did a puke tank for me too, since we're running like methanol and stuff, so we're gonna want like a big catch can. So he went ahead and made one of these. It was a sponsorship deal. He made it for me for nothing, just a thank you. But this thing's pretty cool. So it will drain. It's not bolted in yet, but it drains right out of the bottom there. So we got to drill a hole in the floor, and then we can just, in between rounds or whatever, we can just drain it out. So that's basically a giant catch can. It gives you a lot of ventilation and stuff like that, because methanol has a tendency to have a lot of like condensation. So you want to get that out, get it back here, plenty of air. So he made that, and then upcoming, we have our steering wheel is going to go on soon. I just got the car back, so I haven't had time to mess with that. But we are dropping the car off to Nathan, which is local, right down the street from me, East Coast Performance. He did the 6-point in the car, but we're getting that taken out, and we're going to do a 850 cage now. So we're going to modify it a little bit, finish the 850. for safety. You know, it's time to think about safety now. So we're going to be a little bit faster, I think. Not really sure. You know, all motor was rolling, but we'll see what this does. I'm really excited for it. I want to keep you guys up to date as we get it going. So I'm going to try better with this YouTube thing. But yeah, this is it. We're ready. So that part of it's done. We're picking the transmission up. Nathan's also going to make a custom transmission cross member for us for the Power Glide, since no one makes one. So we're definitely doing something different here. You can't just buy parts for it. So as he's making the cage, he's also going to make the transmission cross member for us. So that's awesome of him. And so we'll be safe. And yeah, we got our fire suit up there too. From we also might have a new contact. So for suits, we're working on that deal now. Suits and helmets. But once that's landed, we'll continue that later on. But for now, this is it. That's pretty much it for now. As far as the car goes, we're gonna do some more videos here in the upcoming future about want to do specific items. I want to go over brakes and suspension, drive shafts, stuff like that. Because a lot of people, I get a lot of questions on like what brake kit do I pick or what suspension do you recommend, and there's a lot of variables. You know what I mean? Like what do you do with the car for number one? What kind of racing do you want to do? Do you want all out? You know, stuff like that. So we're gonna do some more in-depth videos and take this YouTube thing a little more serious. I mean, I got a microphone now. We're starting to get stands and stuff like that. So we're doing good on all social media, but YouTube we're really slacking on. So this is the next thing we want to lock in on. And you know, a lot of people like the behind the scenes and the longer videos. So we're gonna work on that this year. Try to get you guys some more info, stuff like that. And obviously, you know, just follow the build is too. You know, I'm gonna video pretty much everything from here on out, everything that happens, testing, first startup, all that kind of stuff. So you know, I appreciate you guys watching. You know, we're growing, we're doing this thing, and I'm excited about it. We got some new things coming in 2026. Once we get them locked in and everything's finalized, we'll let everybody know. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or if you want to see anything specifically, drop it in the comments, and I'll try to make a video for it. You know, like I said, we're going to take this YouTube thing more serious, and the next video will be out probably next week, and it will be the cage and the cross member and all that stuff for the transmission. I'm dropping that off this weekend, so it should be done in a couple days. He's pretty quick. Nathan's pretty he's pretty fast when he wants something in and he gets it done. So and he's a local guy, so shout him out to East Coast Performance. He's local to me right here in town. You know, he does great work. He, like I said, he did our 6 point, and it turned out awesome. But now it's time to get. We need to make sure we can pass tech. So 850 it is for now, and you know we got to get ready for the season. So until next time, guys, this is it. And like, comment, subscribe.